up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have for you one of my absolutely favorite subscription boxes like ever, the Heroes Tower. Guys, I love the subscription box, and then Chad started throwing in, he's the owner of the Heroes Tower, he started throwing in the craft challenge each and every single month, and it has been so super fun. So without further ado, let's jump into what I got for the month of December. Okay, guys, so, woo! Here's my box. So for those of you who are not familiar with the Heroes Tower, it is a geeky subscription box that you can find on Cratejoy. They have a plethora of options on their Cratejoy website, but if you don't see something that you like, please make sure that you reach out to them. They might be able to customize a box specific to your likes. So make sure if you don't see what you like that you reach out to them and see if they're able to do that for you. But let's see what kind of fun things I got in my box at any rate. All right, let's open this up. Here's a sneak a peek up. And if I open it up on the top here, they do have, he provides an item list for me, and they can be, you can email them at theheroestower@hotmail.com, but again, I will have a link to their subscription box on the Cratejoy website in my description box below. Okay, so where to start? Well, we got a baggie of goodies here. Why don't we start there? Oh my gosh, it is so full, guys. Let's start digging in. Woo! All right. Okay. So let's see what we got. We have a plethora of super fun stickers. Now, it looks like I might not know everybody on these stickers. Yeah, I'm not sure who this sticker is. So it looks super fun though. But there's that one. And then we have Mario and Princess Peach, I think is what her name is. Sorry, I just drew a total blank. But that one is super fun. Oh, look at the Mario one. Oh, how cute. Look at him. Oh, I just love him. He is so stinking cute. Okay, and then we have Aloha. Oh my gosh, I forget who this thing is. Don't, like Lilo and Stitch or something like that. Am I wrong? Could be wrong, but it's super cute nonetheless. I will use it somewhere. Oh, and I have a stamp for my postcard, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Ooh, we got some fun Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle sticker. Yes! So super cute, guys. My Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle tree is so incredibly cute. I don't know who that guy is, but there you go. There's that guy. So I have that sticker. Ooh, yay! I have the Avengers. Oh, this is a great sticker. Look at that, guys. What am I going to use that on? Oh, that is such a great sticker. I really like that one. Ooh, we have some really cute Hello Kitty sticker. That is adorable, but there's more in here I did see. Oh my gosh, this one is so stinking cute. Look, she has like an Uncle Sam hat on. I can't. That is adorable. I love it. That is adorable. Okay, what is this one? Oh, Rugrats. Oh, that is cute. Look at that. Yeah, that is so super fun, guys. Oh my gosh, I love all these stickers. That is awesome. So then I have this super awesome Batman postcard. I love how it's like a throwback, guys. Check that out. And as I told you, I do have the postage stamp. He likes to include the postage stamp so that you're able to send somebody a geeky hello, which I think is just awesome. Okay, so what is, ooh, we got a Superman magnet. Look at that, guys. Ah, I love it. That is so awesome. And this is a handmade item, which I greatly appreciate. I love all the handmade stuff. I know how much work goes into that kind of stuff. This looks as though it's a handmade item as well. Oh, stop it. Is that Thor's hammer? I can't. That is awesome. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, I can't. That is awesome. And it is a magnet that I can stick on my refrigerator. I can't. That is adorable. All right, guys, we're going to keep rolling here. So, ooh, Justice League tattoo squares. Yes! Guys, I love working with temporary tattoos. I'm going to have some DIYs coming up very soon with temporary tattoos. I love working with them, especially when I'm doing clothing or shoe DIYs. They're awesome to work with. Okay, so we have that item. These are all wrapped up. What's this one? Pint Size Heroes. Oh, who did I get? Street Fighter, 30th anniversary Street Fighter. Who did I get though, I wonder? All right, so here's the little package, guys. We're going to rip this bad boy up. I know. Who did I get? I got, it says 112. What does that mean? It doesn't tell me who the guy is. Who's the guy? I don't know who this is, guys. Here it is. He's cute. Tell me he's not cute. He's adorable. I just don't know who he is. So I have this. He's cute though. I honestly don't know who he is though. Okay, so all these are wrapped up. Oh wait, we got some buttons here. Oh yay, guys! I need more buttons to do some more super fun ornaments and stuff. So this is Leonardo. I'm gonna zoom in on that bad boy for you guys so you guys can see him. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. And then we have Michelangelo right here. Yay! Looks like he gave me one of each, which is amazing. And then we have, oh no, yeah, this is Donatello. I thought it was Leo. It's Donatello. So it looks like we do have one of each. Donatello is my favorite because he's purple. And then we have Raph. Yay, Raphael. So I did. I got one of each. He is on it, on it, on it. Thank you, Chad. So I kind of feel like these super special wrapped up ones I should save. Oh, wait. This is, February craft challenge. And this is the craft item. Oh, but I thought I was supposed to skip a month. Oh, I am supposed to skip a month, so I'm supposed to save these. So I'm going to save those because I didn't do my craft challenge item yet. Oh, it's Wonder Woman. I thought that was her logo. So see that? That's Wonder Woman on the back. And I just wasn't sure that was her in the front. So this is Wonder Woman, you guys. Wow. Look how long it took me to look into that. Hello, what is wrong with me? I thought for sure that was her logo, but at first I thought it was Mario. So this is a handmade item, guys, and I will show you guys in my geeky area. I do have a place where I have all these super cute danglers in my geeky area. I have it all set up. So I will show you guys that after I add this one. So you guys will get to see how I have all that set up, but it's Wonder Woman. So sorry. I mean, this is awesome though, guys, isn't it? I love it. It's so super cute. I just wasn't sure who it was, and I don't know why I was struggling so hard. Maybe I'm just a little tired. So then we have the super wrapped special item. So let's dig this in. Da-da-da-da. Guys, it is a Donatello Funko Pop thing. Yay! Guys, I love Donatello. This is so awesome. Look at this, guys. Yay! That is so cool. Okay, let's take him out. Let's take him out. Let's take him out. We got to see him. I got to see him, guys. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't, you guys. I can't. Look at him. Oh my gosh, I love it. I just love it. Here's the back. I can't. Look how it's like blowing in the wind. I can't. Stop it. Guys, I love this. I love this. This is so super cool. Okay, guys, so I'm not going to open up the craft challenge results yet because I might have misunderstood. I thought we were taking a break on the craft challenge, but I think he has to take a break maybe in January, and then we'll have a February craft challenge. So this is what I'm going to do, guys. I am going to go ahead and prepare my craft challenge item, and then I'm going to come back probably with different clothes on and everything different because I couldn't wait to open up this box. I was super excited. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare that because I have a lot of free time on my hands now that my craft show is over. So I'm going to go ahead, prepare the thing, and then I'll come back, show you guys what Chad made, and then I'll show you what I made. And again, it'll probably be in different clothes. But I'm going to go ahead and do that because it looks like this is part of my box. So I want to make sure that I include it. So sorry this is dragging on so long, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to stop the video here. And then when I come back, I will have my craft challenge item results and Chad's for the comic book challenge. All right, guys, I am going to stop it here and I'll see you soon. Okay, guys, so it's been several days and I finished my DIY, so I'm going to show you what Chad made first, and then I'll show you what I made with the comic book. The comic book was the challenge item for this month, so let's go ahead and see what Chad made. Da, 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 da. It says craft item. All right, let's open it up, see what he's made for me. This is always so fun, guys. Let's see. Oh, this is so awesome! Guys, okay, check this out. Before I show it to you, he made me a Wonder Woman wallet, which I absolutely love, but I'm just so afraid to use it. I know that I can use it, but I have it on display in my geeky area, which you guys will be seeing very soon, and that's exactly where I'm going to put this one as well, and it is a Transformers wallet. What? Guys, look at it. Optimus Prime, hello. I mean, this is amazing, you guys. Look, oh my gosh, I love it. So let me show you guys the other side. Look at this. Look at all the detail and how much work goes into it. We have all the little credit card pockets for you to put your credit cards in. And then we have the main area here, if I can open it up, where you would put your money, any kind of cash you have, and all that kind of stuff. Guys, it looks like it has little, yeah, look, I could even put stuff in here as well. Guys, these are so very well made. These are great wallets. Oh my gosh, look guys. So, you know, you could just fold it like this and put it into your purse. Awesome sauce. Guys, this is amazing. So now I don't want to show you mine. Just saying. I don't. But this is awesome. Chad, I love it, love it, love it. I love Optimus Prime, and I have to do more things with Optimus Prime in my geeky area, but this is so very cool. I'm super excited to have it. Okay, so just to show you guys what I made with the comic books, it might not be quite dry yet, but I just couldn't wait. I actually had to put one more coat on it, but I made a mug! So I took parts of the comic book out and I just cut them out. Here I have the Hulk, I have Iron Man, and then I have Captain America and Thor, and then the little Avengers logo. I will have the DIY on how I made this in an upcoming video. This is a functional mug, guys, because I used dishwasher safe Mod Podge. So I am able to use this as a regular mug, drink out of it, and put it in my dishwasher to wash and dry it clean. That to me is fabulous. If you guys don't have the dishwasher safe Mod Podge or aren't familiar with it, I will go over that in my video where I share how I made this mug. So that was super fun. I love doing this DIY. Now this one didn't turn out exactly how I saw it in my head, but you could also do this exact same thing with stickers and things like that. But the challenge item was the comic books this time, so that's why I used the comic books. But I honestly think that this would have went a little bit more smoother for me if I would have used stickers. So just keep that in mind. So guys, this is all in good fun. So let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Did you love Chad's wallet, which is amazing, hello, or my mug that I made that you can actually use? It is a functional mug, and both of these items were made out of comic books. So super cool, so very fun. Chad, I love this challenge. I mean, thank God we crossed paths because this is so incredibly fun. Okay, so now I am going to show you what the challenge item is going to be for February. We are going to skip a challenge item for January, and we're going to just do one for February because Chad needed to take a break because he had a lot of crafting that he needed to do. So here's the February challenge item. Let's see what we got here. So here's the little instructions. I'm just going to open the item first, and then we'll see what the instructions say. What I can do with this little item. Okay. Oh boy. Well, it's Transformers. That's awesome. So it's in this little packet, guys. So let me open this up for you and see what he's sent to me. Oh boy. Okay, so it looks like this is a sticker. Yeah, this is like a sticker. So it's like a foam kind of sticker with a I know where it is, guys. I'll pick it up later. And then this is like a Transformers out of a Transformers packet. That's super cool. It's got Optimus on the front. And then this is, I don't know, it looks like an anime type thing. That's not my jam, but I could probably make something cool out of it. And then we have another Transformers card thingamabobber. I think that is Bumblebee. Yep, that's Bumblebee. So we have that. And then we have Spider-Man, and it's got like the little clouds, so I can put whatever I want to in those. That will be fun, like what he's thinking or saying. And then I have a little Spider-Man spider thingamabobber. Okay, so that's interesting. There's so many fun things you can do with that stuff. Let's see what he says here. February Craft Challenge. Greetings, Amber. The month of December is going to be crazy, and I will be on vacation as well. I will not have any time until mid-January to start up crafting again. Totally understand. I already took my break. I am well rested and ready to roll. Therefore, here's a bag of assorted items you have until February's box to craft an item, or multiple items if you wish. Probably will do the multiple items now that I got more time on my hands. I'm just saying. This should give you plenty of time to think of something to craft and not feel pressured during the holiday season. Rules. You can use all the items or just one item. No one can help you. Okay, this sounds like a lot of fun, guys. There's a lot of great items in there, and I think I have some ideas ideas for some of them already. So you guys will just have to wait until February to see what we come up with. I will have an unboxing for the January box of the Heroes Tower, but the craft challenge results for this craft challenge will not be until the February box. Hope you guys understand that. He needed to take a break, and unfortunately I'm filming this after the first of the year because I already took my break. So this is December's box, late. Hope you guys don't mind. I love this craft challenge. It is so incredibly fun. And this year I plan to be much more organized, so I won't be like rushing around trying to get stuff done. Actually, I never rush around with this one. This one I usually can take my time. I have a whole month to figure it out and what I'm going to do. Take my time, figure it out, and just enjoy it, which I absolutely do. So Chad, I love this challenge. It is so super fun. Thank you for creating this challenge between each other and sending me such awesome handmade items. I absolutely love it. Again, guys, this was the Heroes Tower mystery box, and I will have a link in the description box below. It is available on Cratejoy. That's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!